Buon dia and benvenuto Papiamentu Made Easy.
Hello and welcome to Papiamentu Made Easy.
I'm Bert.
And I'm Shannon.
And together we're going to teach you the coolest language in the Caribbean.
Papiamentu. Whether you're eager to discover a new language or visiting one of our beautiful ABC islands, you've come to the right place. In this lesson, you will learn basic conversational Papiamentu, a language that captures the true spirit of our islands. When you hear Papiamentu, you can almost feel the laughter and dancing along the bright blue beaches and rosy sunsets.
But before getting into it, let me give a bit of a history on the language of Papiamentu. It's believed that the language originated from Cape Verde. Oh, wait. It actually originated from a Portuguese vernacular Dutch and Jewish colonists from Brazil spoke when they migrated to Curaçao. No. It's based on Guinea, a secret language the slaves used on the plantations of Curaçao. You know what? After extensive research about the origins of Papiamentu, we've come to the fascinating conclusion that we just don't know. But when you hear it, you'll recognize the Portuguese, Spanish, and Dutch undertones. Now, while Curaçao, Bonaire, and Aruba knew different colonizers over the centuries, one thing remained constant: the language of Papiamentu. It's the one language that unites us all.
Now you're ready for your first lesson. Feel free to practice your pronunciation along with the video, and the list of all vocabulary will be available in the description below the video as well. In today's lesson, we begin with some common conversational Papiamentu to get you started. You may already know the word Dushi. Dushi is one of the most versatile words in the Papiamentu language. It can be used to describe something sweet, like for example sweet potato, Batata Dushi, Batata Dushi. Here it literally means sweet.
Dushi can also be used as a term of endearment, just like you would call a child sweetie. For example, Kome berdura, Dushi. Eat your veggies, sweetie. Dushi can also be used to describe something delicious. For example, a tasty meal. E kuminda tabata Dushi. Literally, the meal was tasty.
Dushi can also mean sweetheart. Like when you're calling your sweetheart, you can just say Dushi. For example, hey Dushi, come here, I want to tell you something.
Hey Dushi.
Yeah, well, you get the point.
Oh, right.
So Dushi is somewhat of a general term of endearment. We even use it to describe our island. Dushi Curaçao. For a short informal way to say how are you, you can say conta. 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 Or you can ask how are you doing by asking conta by cubo. Conta by cubo. Conta by cubo. And if you're doing well, then you can say amita bom. Amita bom. Amita bom. Literally, I'm good. If you want to say thank you, you will say Danki. 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 And if you want to say you're welcome, you can say di nada. Di nada. Di nada. Have a lovely day. Passa dushi dia. Passa dushi dia. Passa dushi dia. Have a pleasant afternoon. Passa felis atardi. Passa felis atardi. Passa felis atardi.
Alright, now let's move on to greetings. When you see somebody in the morning, you'll say bon dia, which literally means good day or good morning. Repeat after me. Bon dia. Bon dia. Awesome. In the afternoon, you'll say bon tardi. Bon tardi. Bon tardi. Which means good afternoon. The evening, that is bon nochi. Bon nochi. Bon nochi. Good evening. So let's recap all three. In the morning, bon dia. In the afternoon, bon tardi. In the evening, bon nochi. Bon dia. Bon tardi. Bon nochi.
Para mim, é um favorito no papiamento, tá? Um bobo, por assim, mais pergunta, o sem saber por contestar. Esse é que que não tem nenhuma pergunta bobo. Para sobra, ora gente que está querendo saber, então, é bobo aí também hace pergunta, volve a se pergunta. Dado momento, essa binda vai nem contesta mais.
That's it for your first Papiamentu lesson. If you have any specific requests of something you would like to learn in Papiamentu, leave us a comment. We love to hear your feedback and we'll do our best to incorporate your requests in our future videos. Let us know if you found this video helpful. Thank you for tuning in and join us next time for more Papiamentu. If you want to say goodbye, simply say ayo! She can also mean sweetheart. Even kijken.
Let me say that again.
No?
Dushi.
Dushi.
Yeah.
What did I say?
Very douchey.
Dushi! Did I say that right?
What about the mic?
I'm probably like so short compared to you right now.
Are you?
Shot.
Should I go like this? Hi. I'm engaging my core. And this is Shannon.